baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck.
So yes, babes, doing a drive-by today. Gonna show you what's happening in Georgetown today. Yeah, it's a Friday and 2 cruise ship out there, and as you can see, this is West Bay. This is our cemetery. Right behind the cemetery, it's a building. And we have 2 ships out there today. Yeah, you got 2 cruise ships out there. So I'm gonna pass through the town to show you. Yeah. So I'm doing a drive-by today. I'll show you what's happening. Yeah, it's after 1, so still lunchtime traffic in Georgetown here. You can see traffic. Two ships out there. Yeah. 2 cruise ships. One name, and when the ships then come and then that far, because they don't have a pier like in Jamaica or so, then you have to have some little boats, I don't remember what they call them, that go out there to take the people them off the ships, bring them online. As you can see, so this is what's happening in Georgetown on a Friday. So I'm driving through the town, going to get myself a tripod for my phone. Yeah. I'm gonna get a tripod. As you can see, 1 and 2 tourists walking by. Yeah, there's a big ship out there. Let me see if we can zoom in. Really don't. Yeah. I use my phone to video that one day. Yeah, so what is it, you know? I guess a lot of people come off one because we're not seeing them coming on back now. And this is some bus passing. This is the bus passing. You're gonna see this bus passing. This bus have tourists on it. Yeah. Pick up the tourists and carry them wherever. And this is the heli tour. You can actually have heli tour where helicopter carry all over the island also. Yeah. So it's cool. So this is what's happening in Georgetown. In Grand Cayman. Yeah. See that thing there? So that boat there, carry the people and off the ship. Yeah. So it's very busy. Yeah, and here sound like ambulance. Yeah, it's an ambulance. Seems as if something happened in the town. Something is happening in the town. Don't know what it is, but when I reach there, look like something serious. So once there's ambulance and police. One thing when it came on, whenever time there's an accident or anything like that, police is first on the scene. Yeah, and you have the ambulance and the fire truck. Right. I mean, in a short space of time. They are very quick response when you come on to accident. Police on the scene, ambulance and fire truck. Yeah. When you come on to stuff like that, trust me, Cayman is like a first world country, not a third world. Yeah, and as you can see a boat going out there, bringing back tourists. Yeah. That's a nice ship. I want to go on a cruise one day also. That is one of my goals. To go on cruise. I bet this year, because I heard that it's not that expensive. Depends on the time of the year and all of that. Can get up to $400 US dollars for 7 days and all of that, you know. It's not that expensive. I think I want to do it one at a time. Never been on a ship really. Never wasn't interested, but since I'm late, I say, I mean, you know, I have to live life with the police. So I think I want to do that. Yeah. So, check it out. We're in Georgetown. Yep. And Cayman. One fire, all fire. And there's a lot of restaurants on the waterfront here. See here, Rackham's Waterfront Bar and Grill. Yeah, and I love waterfront restaurants. It's extremely nice. I like to sit and I'm looking into the sea, you know. Especially when the sun has set. Yeah, it's a beauty that money can't buy. Trust me. It's nice. It's very nice. Yeah. So seems like a real traffic out here. Yeah. This is Georgetown, Grand Cayman. Cayman Island. See there? Traffic. More traffic on a Friday. And it seems like on Friday I have more traffic. People out more and all that. Yeah. Yeah. Near you have fishermen them and all that. Here you get fish to buy also. Right here. Waterfront. Tourists are enjoying the beach. And people selling, yeah, people sell jelly in Cayman too, the jelly man there. Yeah. Might not be all it, but a lot. Yeah. And this is common when you come on the pedestrian crossing in Cayman, it is very serious. You have to stop to give people pass. You get in serious trouble for things like that. You obey the law. Yeah, this one is Jamaican police. Jamaican police that in Cayman. He's a Jamaican, I should say, not a Jamaican police, but a Jamaican who is a police. And he's one of the most famous police in Cayman. Yeah. Everybody know him in Cayman. And that's a good thing, you know? You know, sometimes when you come on to Jamaica, we have a lot of bad things to our name, but we have a lot of good things too. Sometimes like the bad one outweigh the good. And there's another gentleman over there. Yeah. Yes, over there you have souvenirs and stuff. So we're heading all the way around to South Zone Road. Yeah. So here is where the boats carry the tourists. They come off right over there. Yeah. So the ship come as far as out here, so. Yeah. Here's also where the containers come off too. And then they move them from here. So that's it on a Friday afternoon. Grand Cayman. Yeah, tourists enjoying the upstairs. stays, bar and all of that, you know. I'm enjoying the Caribbean life. Yeah, to drive and drive for others. Huh? Eh? I'm gonna drive so slow so the money hurt in my back. Wonder why would he do that? Yeah. Some people just don't look when I drive because you have to drive and drive for others. Yeah. Yes, tourists enjoying the islands. Yes, look at it. Beautiful Cayman Island. That's why I love the Caribbean. The Caribbean is super nice. Yeah. I don't think I could manage living in a big city. I love the Caribbean. I love where I'm living. I love to see the sea all the time. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it wonderful? Yeah. So lovely. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Just stick and stay with me. As we look at around here. Ketty's Church. I think it's that the name of the place. I think it's all your accessories when you come on to camera stuff and all that. Now plug in whatever you want, you can get it. Let's get this place. Yeah. Yeah, and thanks for the support now, thanks for subscribers. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for the support, as I say. Yeah, so hope I can find a park in here. I can find a park. So let me park and I get back to you. Like again, just get a park. So I am going to look some accessories now. Yeah. Yeah, this place is also a nice place. Let's then again Sunset House. Yeah, this is Sunset House. The sign out there. Sunset House, as you can see it. Yeah, but a lot of tourists come around here because there's several different things around here. People live here. You have business place here too. Now have art shop and all of that. Yep. See it there, restaurant around here and all of that. Sunset House, look at it. This is just awesome. Look there, sweet restaurant. Yeah, so I am going to Cattle's place to get some accessories. Let us stay with me as I get it. Miss it. Here it is again. I think it's right here. Yep. Stick with me. See so much things. Don't know what to choose from. I need a lot of things to take my GoPro. So protective fit. So GoPro ear. Oh, this is for 8. This is for 8. GoPro here get visible 426 size. What is that? Wait, give it in. Hello. Oh yes, babes. I didn't get selfie stick or thing like that, but what I got, look. So I got this. So this can work with the same stick that I'm using with the GoPro. Yeah. So let's stay tuned. Take you back on the road. On fire, hold the fire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So that is the ship out there in Celebrity Beyond. Look at it. Celebrity cruise. One day I wanna go on one of that. I gotta get a trip on one of those. Yeah, I really need to. It's so lovely. And as I said, this is what the Caribbean is about, you know? Sunshine, every day is summer in the Caribbean. Yeah, there's some boats carrying tourists all the way out there. Yeah, it's lovely. It's very lovely, so lovely. Yeah, lovely people, lovely. Really gonna get a cruise on one of those trips. Going back through the town, as you can see. Yeah, other tourists will join themselves. Will join the island life. Yeah, that is it. Welcome to the Cayman Islands. Yes, peeps. And see, so in Jamaica we have a Bayshore Mall here, Bayshore Plaza in Jamaica. Similar names. Yeah, it's a water fountain. That water fountain is very beautiful at night. Yeah, at night change color. Yeah, on the night I go and come out here and get some good video clips of it to show you. Yeah, nice, you know. So this is back in the town. Yeah, whenever time cruise ship is out there, the town is very congested. It's not that congested, no. It's normally more congested. Yeah. But I think if they had a pier, I think more people would come off the ships. I don't think a lot of people really come off the ships. But they said they don't want any. So they had a petition and the people said they don't want any. Because it's going to damage the coral reef making one. So they don't have any. Keeping it real Caribbean style. Yeah. Yeah, real Caribbean style. Sometimes change is good, sometimes change can be devastating. And as I say, that can be very devastating to the coral reefs. So, yeah, life must go on. Yes, please. So, stay tuned. Peeps, to the boat bringing back tourists onto the ship. Yeah. Yeah. There's a ship out there, and as you can see, street of Georgetown on a Friday, extremely busy. Very busy, yes. Judah Car Mobile Crash out here. Yeah, everybody out here. And as you can know that you're in the Caribbean, you know where you go. There is some chickens. Mother hen and her chickens. As usual. Yeah. Some boats out there and something, no? So this is the Caribbean. Yeah. And some Caymanian drinking. Peace. No, that's why I'm holding down the camera. Oh. I want to pitch that you miss. See it there, peeps? That the cussing, I guess you're drinking too much. Yeah, beautiful Caribbean. Yeah, look at it. See, boats are busy. Carrying tourists back and forth. No? Yeah. See them? That's how they carry the tourists. And carry them on the dock out there, so. Yeah. And I guess that also bring employment to the island. Yeah. So that is it with tourism in Jamaica, in Cayman, I should say. Everybody get a piece of it. Sweet. So you have something here. So right here, so I have a look like a little blowhole. Check it out. Yeah. Sweet. So the water, crystal clear waters in Cayman. This is why I love the Caribbean. Real crystal clear waters. So sweet. So sweet, you know? Yeah. Beauty like this cannot be bought. This is priceless. Just the view, the beauty. You know? Yeah. Sweet Caribbean. Nowhere else in the world sweet as the Caribbean. Fresh air, not polluted. Yeah. So peeps, that's the end of it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Do what you love what you do. Do it to your best ability. One fire, whole fire. Peace out.